Hello again, Cynthia Kazuba from Shreveport, Louisiana, back for the final week of the Real Women of Philadelphia Challenge. And my dessert today, I love the fair, I love fair food, so we're going to whip up some fried Twinkies. The mini loaf pans. Now I have the metal ones, but you can also purchase some of the aluminum foil ones. I wish I had a Twinkie pan. They do make Twinkie baking sheets, which I have to get because it'll make it so much easier. And it'll make it the right size, of course. But in a pinch, these will work just fine as well. You can also make your own little Twinkie cup out of aluminum foil, and I'll show y'all how to do that. And then you can take a spice bottle and just kind of roll it and bring up the sides all the way around. And I'll take that out. And then you have a little Twinkie boat. Start by greasing and flouring all of our little mini loaf pans, and I'm using just the Baker's Joy cooking spray. Now to start off for our cake, for the Twinkie part, you need to know that this isn't a mock copycat recipe of Twinkies. This is just my version of Twinkies, and of course we're just deep fried. To start our deep fried Twinkies, you need to start with 1 box mix of either yellow cake or golden butter cake. And you want to add that to a large bowl. I just noticed these today. See the new individual little butter packets that come in 4 tablespoons apiece. I just thought it was cute. Little things amaze me. Not that I ever make a recipe that would involve only 4 tablespoons of butter, but it's a cute idea. Add my softened butter to our mix. 3 eggs. And the final ingredient for our cake mix is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Time to mix all this together. And I bought off eBay a new splatter cover that goes in between your beaters, because you know when you're mixing your flour or your cake mix, and especially powdered sugar, when you mix it, it kind of goes everywhere. So this way, you just cover up the bowl. When our mix is ready, it's time to add them to our little mini loaf pans. And you can use an ice cream scoop if you want. You want to make sure it's spread evenly. Now this mix will make 12 Twinkie-sized cakes, and I have a preheated oven at 350 degrees. And I'm going to put my Twinkie cakes for 15 to 20 minutes. While our Twinkies are baking in the oven, we're going to make our Twinkie filling right now. Start with 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, which I already have in my bowl. And we need half a cup of butter. To that, we need half a cup of Crisco shortening. 1 cup of sugar, 5½ ounces of evaporated milk, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to blend everything together. Now our Twinkie filling is finished and ready to be stuffed in our Twinkie bag, and I have a number 17 tip. You could even use a number 7. Or you can be creative and come up with your own. And I'm going to fill the pastry bag with our Twinkie filling. And we have ours. I'm just going to get some of the air out of the tube. Okay, it's time to take our little Twinkie cakes out of the oven. They smell great. It's going to pierce it 3 times like you would a normal Twinkie has. And until you start to feel it, the cake expand, that's when you stop. Now that we've filled our Twinkies, we're going to place them in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. While our Twinkies are in the freezer, we're going to go ahead and make the batter and get our oil hot. In a Dutch oven, pour 4 cups of vegetable oil, into your Dutch oven, and we're going to bring this to about 375. Okay, it's time to make our batter. In one small bowl, we're going to add a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. In another small bowl, we're going to mix 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to slowly whisk our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And we have our batter all whisked. Now, right when they come out of the grease is the perfect time to dust them with powdered sugar. And this is between a funnel cake and a fried Twinkie. It is the mixture of both, the ultimate fair food. I've put a popsicle stick at the end of one. Now I'm just going to cover it with the batter. Let some of it drain off. And put it in our hot oil. And when it's in the oil, you just want to keep basting both sides. About 3 out of the hot oil. Put it to the side. Let's drain off some of the grease. Twinkies. Cut it open. Oh my God. That is so good. Well, it's been a pleasure, ladies. I hope you try these deep fried Twinkies. They are amazing. A mixture of a Twinkie and a funnel cake. Hopefully, I'll be seeing y'all in Savannah. Thank y'all.